Kua puta ngā wangawanga o te kaihautu whakawhanaunga āiwi, hei tā Joris de Brez, he kino te momo reo I whakamahia I roto I ngā pānui. He whakatūpato hoki āna ki ngā kai tōrangapū I tēnei te taupōti.
I think what was perhaps particularly worrying was the tone of the whole advertisement, some of the language used, and I guess if you just put yourself in the position of Māori reading the advertisement, then it really does feel as if you are being misrepresented, you're being demonised to some extent, and it's all kind of described as if this is some conspiracy by Māori radicals when it's very mainstream, a very mainstream recognition of the treaty. Do not use the election to increase or create division between one ethnic community and another. Be very careful about not campaigning against an entire community.
Kua puta ngā whakahea te rōpū tōrangapū Māori ki ngā mahi a Don Brash, e whai ake nei ngā whakaaro I puta I a Peter Sharples I te ahiahi nei.
Kāre pai tēnei mahi a Dr. Brash, Tāmi Davey Māori, kei roti ana kōrero. Ko ngā kōrero, kua kōrero hea ia, he mahi kino, a mo Aotearoa, kia hau nei he mahi pai. Te manaaki te tiaki o te awa o Waikato, te whakatū, te tahi reo mo te Māori kei roti Tāmaki Makaurau. Ēnei āhuatanga katoa kia haere ngātahi ai, te Māori me te Pākehā kei roti Aotearoa.
Nō reira, me titiro pēhea ngā kai pōti ki ēnei mahi a te rōpū tōrangapū o ACT. I kōrero mātau ki a tākuta Maria Baj, tētahi mātanga take tōrangapū I te rangi nei.
Don Brash's comments in the paper on the weekend certainly show that the ACT Party is desperate for votes. He's encouraging hate speech by the things that he's saying and really shouldn't be able to get away with that sort of thing. His campaign manager said that one of their aims was to polarise people, and certainly that kind of language does polarise different communities, and that's not at all what we need at the moment.